Sewing is an excellent way to add a personal, unique touch to your fabric. You can repair, modify, and customize the stitches, seams, and hems for an original and authentic look. The best portable sewing machine offers you the convenience and flexibility to create innovative outfits and revamp your style anywhere, even when you're on the move. So if you're interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all of the mentioned products and their buying links. The Brother 2340 CV cover stitch is an advanced serger designed to allow users to create a wide range of cover stitches on multiple weights and fabric types. It uses 2-needle 2-3-4 cover stitch functions that are great for working with stretch fabrics and creating necklines and hems. Featuring tri-cover stitch, wide and narrow cover stitches, along with easy-to-follow, color-coded threading and cover stitch capability of 3mm to 6mm for thicker materials. This sewing machine has a maximum sewing speed of up to 1100 stitches per minute. This allows you to serger more in less time. It will enable you to create durable strapping for dance garments and swimsuits, or a chain stitch finish for hems or belt loops. Besides, with the variety of utility to decorative cover stitches, users can professionally finish edges with a single or dual top stitching look. The Singer Quantum Stylus 9960 sewing machine has loads of ease of use features to allow you to fulfill your creative dreams. Its 600 built-in stitches include 5 alphanumeric fonts and 13 fully automatic one-step buttonholes with exclusive buttonhole underplate, mirror imaging, and stitch elongation options to provide even more creative possibilities. The computerized sewing machine with a large LCD screen provides clear and easy viewing of stitch functions, including stitch length, stitch width, tension settings, recommended presser foot, needle up-down position, and more. It has 2 Stay Bright LED lights that illuminate the sewing surface for optimal viewing. Additionally, it includes an extension table providing a larger working area, essential for quilting or when working with larger projects. Next up, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4432 sewing machine. With a heavy-duty metal interior frame, stainless steel bedplate, extra high sewing speed, and powerful motor, it can sew through various heavyweight fabrics. This sewing machine has a built-in reverse lever so that you can sew in reverse and reinforce stitches. Its adjustable stitch length can customize a stitch's appearance by increasing or decreasing the distance between stitches. The machine's interior frame is metal, providing long-lasting durability. Plus, the machine's arm surface is made of stainless steel, providing a smooth surface that allows your fabrics to glide smoothly as you sew. A cover is provided with your machine to help keep it dust-free when not in use. Its presser foot has a different high position available to accommodate thick fabrics. You can use the Sewing Assistant app to help you learn about the machine parts, including threading the top of the machine and the bobbin, and select stitches for various techniques and more. With 50% more power and enhanced speed, the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 sewing machine can tackle thicker fabrics and long seams without breaking the bank. The stainless steel bed plate enables smooth fabric flow, and the heavy-duty interior metal frame ensures skip-free sewing. It provides greater piercing power and speeds up to 1100 stitches per minute. The adjustable presser foot pressure control can sew lightweight and heavyweight fabrics with ease by simply adjusting the presser foot pressure. Its decorative stitches can be set to 6mm wide to customize as desired for your project. Needle position can be changed for individual projects, such as inserting zippers or cording and top stitching. On the other hand, the heavy-duty metal frame provides rigid support and long-lasting durability. The Brother XM2701 sewing machine is perfect for multiple everyday sewing projects. It includes 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, stretch stitches, and an auto-size buttonhole. This sewing machine consists of an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes thread through the needle and a convenient jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. The free arm sewing machine is perfect for a wide range of simple sewing projects and users from beginners to advanced. Another advantage is that a 25-year limited warranty backs this affordable Brother machine, and free customer phone and online technical support for the life of the product. Further, users will enjoy the ease of sewing cuffs, sleeves, and pant legs with the built-in free arm. The Brothers CS6000i is a user-friendly and portable sewing and quilting machine that offers a wide range of quilting and sewing features at an affordable price. It features 60 built-in sewing stitches, including decorative stitches, and 7 styles of one-step buttonholes. This machine also includes a detachable complete table that is perfect for larger quilting projects, a simple-to-view backlit LCD, an automatic needle threader, easy-to-follow threading diagrams, and an adjustable sewing speed control system are all included. An automatic needle threader has been added to align thread through the needle correctly. It uses a built-in free arm to assist with sewing pant legs, sleeves, and other cylindrical items. On the other hand, this sewing and quilting machine includes a printed quick start guide and complete instruction manuals in English and Spanish.
Thanks for watching.